Welcome! If you want to delete your bio on the Roblox app using your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Maybe you want a fresh start, or just prefer to keep your profile clean. Whatever your reason, this guide will walk you through every step quickly and easily. First, make sure you have the Roblox app open on your PC. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile. To do this, look at the top right corner of the Roblox app window. There, you'll see your avatar or your username. Click on it, and a menu will drop down. From this menu, select Profile. This will take you straight to your personal profile page, where all your public information is displayed. Next, look for the Edit Profile button. This is usually easy to spot near your profile details. Click on Edit Profile, and you'll see various options for customizing your information. Now, focus on the About section. This is where your bio lives. Right next to the About section, you'll notice a small edit icon, often shaped like a pencil. Click this icon, and a text box will appear, showing your current bio or description. To delete your bio, simply highlight all the text in this box and erase it. Make sure the box is completely empty, no spaces or characters left behind. Once you've cleared the text, look for the Save button and click it. This will update your profile and your bio will now be completely blank. And that's all there is to it. Your Roblox profile no longer displays any bio or description. If you ever want to add something new, just follow these same steps and write a fresh bio. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, feel free to share it with others who want to keep their Roblox profile clean and simple.